Remember your first big adventure? The road trips, the sunrise hikes, the ocean breeze. Imagine if every adventure helped protect the planet you love. Introducing the PANGEA Eco Bamboo Travel Towel 3.0. We created the most funded travel towel in Kickstarter history and the only towel that stops plastic pollution at the source. And now, we made it even better. Introducing MagLock magnetic corners. Need a quick outfit change? Stick it to your car for an instant privacy boost. No more chasing your towel in the wind. Clip it anywhere to dry. Did you know that most travel towels are made of microfiber and 100% plastic? They repel water instead of drying. But even worse, microfiber towels shed microplastic into our oceans every time you wash them. The PANGEA Eco Bamboo Travel Towel is 100% plastic-free. Our super soft waffle weave is 3 times more absorbent than microfiber. It dries fast and is naturally antibacterial and odor-free. It packs down small in our signature net mesh bag, and our extra large size is perfect for the beach. Clip it anywhere, dry on the go, and leave no trace behind. Backpacking, beach days, the gym. This is the only towel you'll ever need. But the best part? This isn't just a towel. It's part of something bigger. Every towel you buy in this campaign helps stop plastic pollution at the source. With your support, we are installing river barriers in the most polluted waterways to stop plastic before it ever reaches the ocean. At the PANGEA Lab, we're innovating new ways to upcycle plastic waste into sustainable materials for future products. This is your final opportunity to get the best-selling PANGEA Eco Towel that marked an era. Only on Kickstarter. Once these towels are gone, we'll move on and focus on creating new recycled products from plastic waste. Get the only travel towel that is ultra lightweight and as compact as microfiber, but 3 times more absorbent, 100% bamboo, and that cleans our planet. Back our campaign today for up to 60% off.
Huge thank you to all of our supporters over the years, from the original travel towel to the jacket to our sunglass supporters. You guys made it possible for us to fix the broken recycling industry and clean the planet.
And as we now move into the stage of plastic technology, this is the last chance to buy our bamboo travel towels, the only plastic-free towel in the world that is cleaning the planet.
Back at you today.